When you feel like quitting, remember all of those who said you'd fail. When you feel like giving up, remember why you started.
Greeting everyone, this is Alex and I'm the captain of my team, and today we are just gonna play a role, and Vijay is already connected on the daily basis, and Alex are playing a role as a friend.
I'm playing role as a father.
And I'm playing role as a mother. I'm playing role as a daughter.
I'm playing role as a boyfriend. So are you free?
Yes, I'm free.
So I want to share something with you that I'm thinking about the future. So
Yeah,
I just want to talk to you that what she want to do in her life.
And I'm also thinking about my future.
Why?
And how can you come here?
Those people just think about their future, that my name is future and I'm there.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, so
Fight.
what do you think about my daughter's future?
Actually, Nashid is very good and I like her.
Like her, a girl like her.
As my daughter, as my daughter, right? So. Okay, you continue, sorry.
Okay, So I'm also very worried about her future because I think that nowadays she didn't focus on her studies, and I think we should talk with her.
But has she shared something with you?
No, she didn't share anything about
Because nowadays I'm seeing that on her face that she is worried about something, and she is not talking properly with us.
Yeah, and she didn't come with us, and she didn't share.
I think you both are just like worried about your daughter, and you should just call her first. I think so.
Okay.
If you want to just call to your daughter, then you call.
Okay, just pause, just speak.
Okay, you don't worry, I'm calling. Actually guys, I called her and she's not receiving my call, so I think you should go home, like, because you love your daughter a lot and you should leave the office today, and I'll manage my calls, so you should go back here now.
Really, she's not?
Yeah, obviously not. I called many times but she didn't.
Okay, so we need to go at home.
Okay, you don't worry, I'll just manage the office and you go to class.
Okay. Christy?
Christy, what happened?
Why are you not taking my call?
I'm not taking your call. I'm so sad. That's why I'm not taking your call.
Why? What happened? Why are you sad?
Nothing.
No, there is no any reason of nothing. You have to tell me. Because we are parents.
Actually, a boy cheated on me, so that's why I'm so sad. Please tell me something, so tell me from his suggestion about this problem, because I'm in so much struggle.
Okay, you are struggling. But there is no any reason to be sad. He is nothing a part of your life.
No, he is most important for me, and he is a very important person in my life. So that's why I'm so sad. If he cheated on you, so why you again and again try?
First tell me, really he is bigger than us in your life? He is playing important role.
No, no one is bigger than you, but he has a very different role in my life, so I can't forget him. But I think you leave him if he is not a good person. It's not possible. I love him a lot, so that's why I'm not able to leave him. There are many persons in the world. It means not that. No? You try only one person and you think that he is only most important for you. I think you should try. It's important for me.
Beta, you need to think first. That is it really important in your life?
And I think he is not a good person. If he is a good person, so I don't think so that he cheated on you, cheat with you. Okay. Please, one time talk to him and please make understand him. If you are very worried, so give me his number. Maybe I call him to know yours.
But how dare he just cheated my daughter and he just, why is this so? My daughter is crying because of him. This is not a way.
I think we should talk to her CEF that how he can do this.
I will definitely put cut on his chest.
Actually, Papa, at one time, please talk to him. If he will be not agree and he will be give some bad excuses, then definitely I will punch him. So please give him one chance.
But later, I am not trying to understand. If he just cheated or wants to do that, he will definitely cheat again.
He leave you because of another person, and maybe he found another girl. So he leave her also. So how can you believe him? So I'm with you. I understand you what you are saying all the things to my Let we are your parents and we are your parents and we are very worried about you. And now these days you behave very sad. So
इसमें तेरा घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता.
okay.
So do you have any friend, close friend?
Yeah.
Just give.
Yeah. We should talk to your friend.
I want to talk to your
Actually,
friend.
his number is saved in your mobile phone.
Okay, so I am calling and he is connected with that situation.
Yeah. He is.
Okay, so I am calling him. Hello,
Hello?
I'm talking Alex.
Yeah, this is Alex.
So you asked his friend.
Yes.
So what happened with her?
Actually,
Do you know?
there's a lot of problems, and this is not a time to just talk phone call. And I'm just coming here home, then we just get sick and we'll just talk about that.
Okay.
Fine. So I'm just coming within 2 minutes.
Okay, sure.
Fine.
So are you Alex?
Yeah, this is Alex. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So you are now telling me about my daughters.
Actually, she is pretty good, and she loves someone, but he did a wrong thing. Actually, I know him, but he was very good, but today what he did, I think very bad for it.
So I think you should tell her about the.
Actually, I made her understand a lot of time because he was a bad guy. I made her understand many times, but I'm friend, not very close to you as you are.
So do you know where he is live?
Yeah, I know where he lives.
Okay, so I just want to meet him.
You're fine, I'm just calling, and you have to be quiet.
Yeah,
And
sure.
I'll call him, and I'll call to here.
Okay.
Right. Hello?
Hello.
Kapil.
Yeah, this is Kapil.
Yeah, Kapil, how are you?
Yeah, fine. What's about you?
Yeah, same over there. Kapil, I'm just waiting you at this park, and you please come here.
Yeah, why not?
Fine. So now, actually, Kapil, we are not at park, and I'm just sending you to someone else home, and I'll be there, and there's a party, and we will enjoy and dance a lot.
Okay, I will enjoy if it is good.
Yeah, fine. So now just let's go there.
Okay.
Fine. Now we are at home. No.
So,
Yeah, actually, uncle, when he called about him, that he's a guy, name is Kapil.
hello sir. Hello. So you are Kapil.
Yes, sir.
So what are you doing nowadays?
Now I have completed my graduation and then I'm pursuing my graduation.
Okay, so you are pursuing your graduation and why you cheat my daughter?
Who said it?
I got to know.
But it could be so that she is not.
So why she is crying?
I don't know why.
I don't know why, but she said that you cheat with her.
She also cheated me.
Do you really think?
Yes.
How you can say that
Because
She can't cheat or cheated
Just
on
wait a minute, wait a
animals.
minute. We have to call Srishti and she will
Yeah.
You should not
She will
believe on her.
tell
I
us.
said it.
Oh,
Yeah.
hello.
Yeah.
She is my daughter and I am really love my daughter, okay?
Okay.
And
So
you have
Srishti,
my-
come here. He is a guy. So he just said that you cheated him.
Never.
Now what is your reply?
What? Now when I met him, that she was saying me that yeah, we should go.
Actually, sorry to interrupt you guys. When I said Srishti first time that he is not a good guy and he has someone else, and he was wandering with someone else in the park. So in that case, he was not good, and I already made her understand.
But it's my life. I can go with anyone.
But
Okay, so it is your life.
Yeah.
So just because of your life, you just destroy another one's life.
No, I'm not. I don't have any intention, but she's not perfect for me.
So you have to think about in the starting, if she is not perfect to me, so why you choose her?
But in starting, I think that yeah, she's perfect for me. But now I don't know that she's not perfect for me.
I know about like your boys that you have only just think that yeah, I have a girl and if I will pick any other one, I will reject the girl.
So what's the problem in this?
What's the problem in this?
It's the biggest problem, I think.
No, it's not the problem.
And what was you ordering
And
the party with
we all
another
are free
girl?
and we can go with anyone else. Someone.
If you love someone, if you love his treatment, why did you do like all the things? Like I know everything about you. You do all the bad activities with someone else on a daily basis. What the hell is this? What's going on?
But now I don't like her.
Actually, when he saw me first time, then he said to me, I like you and you are very perfect for me. So according to you, we should become in the in the relationship. That's why I agree because I also like him. But he is not like that in the starting that I will cheat on you. But he shows me like that. Yeah, he is very perfect for me. But in nowadays, he is showing like that I am nothing for him.
So in that case, we can say that you have done all the bad activities with my friends.
Yeah, how can you say?
Means, what the hell is this going on? Why you are just doing like this?
Because it's my passion.
It's a passion to cheat
Yes.
someone. That's your passion to cheat someone.
Yes, I know.
So it's a passion to cheat.
Yes, because I'm very free. I don't care about any girl.
Just listen to me. I will slap if you are saying again and again this line.
Yeah, you have not
Why?
done
You
it.
You are just trying to destroy me.
So what? So what?
So what means what?
Don't interrupt.
Don't leave.
Just listen. If you are just trying to destroy my daughter's life, so I will definitely kill you.
Be polite.
I did break up. I don't
I
care
don't
about
want to be polite because he have done very wrong thing with my daughter.
that. I don't care about that.
Breakup is not a common thing that yes, we do the breakup on the daily
If
basis.
she's not perfect for me, then I will decide.
So how you
Then
want to
how
manage
do you
your
say that she is not perfect for you? How can you
Now I come to know that she's not perfect for me.
But she said that you are
You know what? She has a bad mentality for me.
Oh, so you think that your mentality is good?
Okay, yes, I can explain you why. Because when I go with anyone else, then she asks me.
Because she knows that you are not a good person.
Listen, she asked me that why are you going with her?
So why are you? So why was
I'm
you
married
with
to him.
that?
I'm going with anyone else.
No, you are not free. If you are in a relationship,
I never interrupted her like that. You should not go with him or you should not go with him.
but you are in a relationship, so you need to talk each other.
Firstly, I never go with any person anywhere. You always go with different girls everywhere. But after that, I'm ready to understand you. But it can't be happen with me all the time.
But I
It's
don't.
very bad.
But I don't stop you. If you want to go with anyone else, then I never ask you that. Yeah, you should not.
So
with her.
it means you are not loving me. You never care about me. That's why you are ready to send me
No, I
with
love
every
you.
person.
I love you, but now I don't understand you that why are you doing this activities? And now you don't have any belief on me. I
Which
don't know
type of
why.
activity?
Because your friends is saying that your friends.
Firstly,
Now I've seen you many times with a different girl. So what the hell is this going on? That's not mean that they are not your sister.
If you are thinking about me that I am a bad, then you are also bad because you also have a bad mentality.
Fine, it's my life.
Yeah. So
Being a
that's
pastor,
why
I admit that yes, that's a lie, but it's not mean that you are ready to cheat someone. Do you know that who has just been cheated by you?
Yeah. So
That she belongs to a very good family. They will kill you very easily.
I don't care if she has a big
Don't you
don't
know
care?
I don't care.
If I will just slap her once, you will just start to cry.
So if you will kill me, then I will run away.
Run
after
away.
killing?
Just listen to me. You are not able to just go away from the house. Okay?
Yeah.
You need to understand
Do you
first.
know
But
the
it's
law
very
of
hard to
India?
understand.
That's why I'm saying that I don't
Do
believe
you
you.
believe one thing? Do you believe one more thing?
You know what? I am here because of you, and that's why I don't believe you.
So whatever you will do on daily basis,
Then why are you then why are you calling me?
It is karma. It is karma.
I don't like her and as well as their parents. They all are.
It is karma. It is karma. You cheat her and now he cheat you.
you should think.
Yeah.
Okay? And
Because you are not
will pay
the right
money.
side.
If you are agree that he is cheated with her, it's good. Then I am also saying that I am good.
Because here we have some.
But you are in a relationship.
So
You
what the relationship now?
but you both are
She
not
don't-
friends only.
She doesn't mean the relationship.
Do you know about? Do you know
So,
about meaning new relationship.
So you think that
Okay,
you
I know. You
are
can
the
ask
only
her. You
person.
can ask her. You can ask her. Now.
Ma Papa, it's enough. Thank you for giving him one chance because of me. Now
No, Mama, I will kill him. I will kill him.
Okay, I understand, and I am also ready to. You can give any punishment to him, and I also want to give him a
Okay,
punch.
you forget everything. According to me, being your friend, being your best friend, then you should join your business of your parents, and
Yeah,
it will be good.
definitely.
And then we will show that yes, whatever he did, it was wrong.
चुराई गई लाइन हमारी
I
वो
will
भी मेरी लाइन थी
and I will forgot him.
उससे मिलेगा
I was a very wrong way, and
And I think you should leave him. There are many another people who are very much
Get
better
lost.
than him.
Why?
And we also
Get lost. Get lost from my house.
Okay, now I learned that I should
You
go,
can-
but oh, listen.
get lost.
And don't do anything
Listen,
stupid.
listen.
I don't want to listen anything by your mouth.
Then,
Why am I listening to you?
Are
Why is that?
we were like giving him a chance to
Okay, guys, so they are just going to fight with each other. So before fighting them, we have to stop this video. If you like this video, then you can just like, comment, and share. Bye bye for now.